The Soviet Union was in kind of tough shape at that time, only because you got to remember that the Germans invaded Russia and almost destroyed most of Eastern Europe. Eastern, it rolled over Poland.
Yeah.
They were in between all of this, and that's what happened. It was nothing. We became disenchanted with, I think, with the Communist Party.
When that all happened.
Yeah, yeah, it was enough already. But Russia wasn't. I felt bad for Russia because they took a big beating from the Germans, but then the Russians fortunately put together a military behind the Ural Mountains, and then exploded and went after the Germans. It just killed them. They were so mad. So that ended the experience of having Germany dominate the rest of the world. But then you felt badly. I always felt badly for the Russians because they took a big hit. They took something like 20 million loss. So, so you feel a little sympathetic. You can't be not unsympathetic. So what are you going to call me, a communist because I was sympathetic to their needs? No. It was okay.